Today I'll be showing you my baby and her babies. Okay, she's here. This room. This is my little brother's room. He is a fan of wrestling. And Manchester United. So here we go. There's my baby. Isn't she beautiful? Yes. I have had and the babies are under here if you can see them. Not much. Let's move this bed. You know, cats have their babies in strangest places. You know, it's up to them really where they have their babies. Let's get one here. Hang on, Will. Is she beautiful? We've got 3 of those colours. And that one. We'll be keeping this one.
John.
Very fine, she knows my scent. Good morning, William. There's my little brother. Morning. He's the cat protector. He looks after the cats while they're in this room. This is my mum. There you go. She will look after, you know, she knows me. She's met me all every single day, don't you? You know, I've been looking after her last lot of babies. William got that for Christmas. A little wrestling ring. He's planning on doing hopefully a wrestling video soon. So here's his room. He's got PlayStation 3, Xbox, Wii downstairs. So there we go. So they'll be going soon to good homes, hopefully. So yeah, I decided to. Sorry, this room is a bit dark. Look at my shitty lights. Just those shitty things. I need to exchange them because it's a bit dark in this room with them. So I didn't go in the light. There we go. So I hope you enjoy my little babies. Yeah. So that's basically it for today. I do love that flag though. Look at that flag. Beautiful. And this is my little brother's mouse. I just want to show you this too. You let me show me. There's his mousey. Look at that. That's William's. I've got to look after that while he's looking after my pet, which is fair. So yeah. So I'll hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you can see me in this light. And I'll see you back on YouTube. Bye.